Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you all doing well. Sorry, I've been away for a while, but today I'm back with a new dish. So today we'll make a pan-fried chicken breast with beetroot mash, seasonal veg, and chili lemon butter sauce. And chop two pieces of potato. Add it to a boiling water pan. And then you're gonna get cooked beetroot. You'll just open the bag, add just one piece, and then we'll boil that with the potato for 15 minutes. We'll bring a good, decent sized chicken breast. Don't do that. And then we'll add an extra virgin olive oil. We'll zest half a lemon. Chili flakes. And a bit of salt. A hot, heavy pan onto a high heat. We'll add 1 tablespoon olive oil. And then we'll add the chicken breast for 3 minutes. And then you'll cover it. Make sure you leave a little bit air comes out so it doesn't get too steamy. Turn it over. We'll turn the heat down to medium heat and we'll cover it again for 5 minutes. Roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. I'll add it to the pan. We'll zest the other half lemon with the garlic. And then we'll give it a stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So now to deglaze the pan, obviously I don't use wine, so I'm going to use the lemon juice because it's a lemon butter chicken. We'll add 50-gram butter, touch of salt, and now I've got a packet of mixed seasonal veg, which is asparagus, candy stem, and sugar snap. So we'll add that to the chicken. We'll turn it down again into low heat, and then we'll cover it for 5 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, we'll drain the mash, and then we'll put it again in the same pan again. 2 cubes of butter, touch salt, and a bit of white pepper. That will take a good 2 minutes to do the mash like that. And then you get the spatula or silicone spoon or plastic spoon, whatever you want to call it, and then make sure it's nice and smooth so you can shape it. So now within 20-minute max, we've got a beautiful, easy dish that every single one who can make at home. give it a squeeze. Look at that juice. That is what I'm looking for.